In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Nothing But the Blood with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Hey, Spencer here from leadingworshipwell.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the song Nothing But the Blood. If you haven't seen the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this tutorial. Also, I'm going to be using a bunch of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll show you everything that you need to know to play this song. But if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, there's a link down in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords with even more of those guitar shapes for you to use and implement into your guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, here we are in verse number 1, but before we start playing, I have to show you what I'm doing with my capo here. I do this all the time. We've got it backwards on the 2nd fret, leaving the open E string open. So that way we get a nice big deep D chord there. So keep that in mind as we do this. All the chord shapes are relative to that. And I'll play verse number 1 here. We're just using some thin chords here for verse number 1. So it sounds like this. The chords will be right here as I play. What can wash away my sins? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. What can make me whole again? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Let's just go into the chorus. The chords will be right here. Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow. No other fount I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Just rock back before this, between this D and this G, and then let's head into verse number 2. Here we are in verse number 2. We're going to open up the chords a little bit. I'll play verse number 2 and then the chorus as well and the instrumental after that, because this is a pretty easy song. So just follow along with the chord shapes right here. It sounds like this. This is all my hope and peace, nothing but the blood of Jesus. This is all my righteousness, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow. No other fount I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Down to this D and this G now. Just pick up your index finger there. And then into the final verse. Here we are in the final verse, and this is kind of like a fake out in the arrangement where we bring it down really quiet, but then halfway through the verse, we start to build it up to a final, like, really loud chorus. So the chords will be right here as I play along. Pay attention to those dynamics. Verse number 3 and the final chorus sounds like this. Glory, glory, this I sing, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Then we're building here. All my praise for this I bring, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow. No other fount I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Just kind of fade out here. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Nothing But the Blood with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, if you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that I used all throughout this tutorial, then check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. I'll show you even more of those guitar chord shapes that you can start implementing into your guitar playing and level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.